Hi, George. This is Mr. Varga. I loaded up the Khan Academy questions you were having problems with, and so I thought I would use their questions to give you a quick tutorial. So down here you can see I drew the metric system that you need to know. And this question asks us to convert 45 meters to centimeters. So meters sits right in the middle, and then we have decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. That's when you go smaller than a meter. Or you have decameters, hectometers, and kilometers. That's when you go bigger than a meter. Okay? And this is how I teach it in class. When you're converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply, always. I remember this by using the acronym BSM, bigger to smaller, multiply. When converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you divide, always. I remember this by using the acronym SBD, smaller to bigger, divide. So if we take a look at the question, it says 45 meters to centimeters. Well, centimeters is smaller than meters, so I'm going from a bigger to a smaller. So I'm using B, S, M. So I know bigger to smaller, I'm going to have to multiply. So I'm going to have to take 45, and I'm going to have to multiply by some number. Well, the units here, they're all multiples of 10. So when I go from a meter to a decimeter, it's a power of 10. When I go from a decimeter to a centimeter, it's another power of 10. When I go from a centimeter to a millimeter, it's another power of 10. So I know I'm going to take 2 hops. So that's 10 times 10. And so I end up with 45 times 45 times 10 times 10 is 4,500. And so my answer is going to be 4,500. Okay? So that's how you do the metric system. The metric system is pretty simple, okay? Because these are all powers of 10. So let's try the next question. So here, look, it tells you there are 100 centimeters in a meter. And here they give you the centimeters. So I'm going from a smaller to a bigger. So I'm going smaller to bigger. So I'm going to have to divide. So I'm going to have to divide 170 divided by, and then I know it's 2 jumps to get centimeters to meters. So I'm going to have to divide by 100. So here, all you got to do is just move your decimal, okay? We know the decimal is going to start here, and when we're dividing, we move to the left. So we jump 2 times, and the decimal sits right there. And so my answer is going to be 1.70. Where this question right here is 11. They give you the meters, and they want you to convert to centimeters. So down here, I'm going to have to multiply because I'm going bigger to smaller. So bigger to smaller, I multiply. So I need to go 11 times 100 because it's 2 jumps to get to centimeters. And we know that's going to equal 1100. Let's see if I get it right. Yay, I got it right. Okay, so hopefully this will help you solve these kinds of problems, okay? Always remember your BSM and your SBD, okay? All right, so I'll post this video, and then I'll give you another one with the word problems, okay? Have a great day.